Hello everyone. In the summer times, I would like to make a mouth-watering caramel pudding. So, the main ingredients are 500 ml of milk and 120 gram of sugar and 5 eggs. So, let's make the pudding. Now, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of water. Let it melt without stirring in overload heat. I poured the caramel into the baking glass. Rest until it fully set. For the pudding mixture, I'm going to add 5 eggs and beat it well. Extract. Now I'm going to add 500 ml of milk to it. And add 120 grams of sugar to it. Bring it to simmer. Make sure to turn off the stove. Now I'm going to pour the egg mixture to the hot milk while whisking it. Now I'm going to combine the pudding mixture and caramel mixture together. Now I'm going to bake it. When you're baking, you want to bake with an hot water tray. Bake it for an hour. After baking, when you feel done, take it out from the oven and run a knife around it. Now, I'm going to turn it upside down. We are set to go. Delicious.